Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Donny Days. Thank you so much for joining us. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that we need to discuss really quick. It is that time of year again for everyone. And what is that? Holiday savings time, right? That's the early Thanksgiving Day savings time, and that's ultimately the Black Friday shopping time, right? So during this time of the year, anyone can fall into the trap of the following. Beware, please. Number one, overspending, going above and beyond your spending and your budget. Impulse buys at number two, buying stuff that you just don't need. It's not a need. And number three, living above your means. Be strong and remember your budget, your financial goals, and written future plans, please. Also, remember that spending only lasts for a short while, but the results of going off track financially last so much longer, right? The heartbreak from it. Fight the temptation for needless spending. Fight it. And review your budget. And not only review your budget, but please stick to the budget. It's easier said than done, but do it. Because the reward of having a financial discipline is making you a much better person, that person that you aspire to be. So be content, have self-control, and save your money. For more budget and savings tips, hit that subscribe button